Oh,
Ayaw mo na basketball player talaga? Kahit NBA?
I don't like boys na.
Oh! Ayaw mo na boys? Eh, para kanino pa yung pagpapakita mo ng goiter kung hindi ayaw mo na paligan?
Mga kababayan! Amoy ulam na ba kayo? My gosh! What you gonna do?
Yung ponytail na yan, matatalo na at last. And because of that, ako, itama ako.
May galit pa eh.
That's true. Ano, I respect that. I really respect that. Pero ang ating leksyon, mga kaibigan,
may pinagdadaanan ka ba? Nagpagupit ka ng buhok na ganyang kaiksi? Tapos na.
Yes. So pag ganon, time
So
for
this is a declaration of what? It's over.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, go! Ay, that's so unfair!
Wow! I'm sure they'll love that!
Request ni Ma'am Charo, so after my birthday, Bim will have a regular portion as a Christy. Wow. So meron na siyang, it's Christy V with Bim.
Sobra na. I promised my sisters I would be strong. But it's so unfair.
Darla, bibilang kita ng black polo because I love you.
Thank you, Chrissy.
Yes. Ano ka sa men's? Large? Or extra large? Extra large. Okay.
Hope you don't mind. Sabi ko, yes. Well, hilo-hilo pa ako. I just have to know, are you pregnant? Sabi ko, no, I'm not pregnant, Doc. Nakakaloka.
Me? Mag-i-endorse ng ibang shampoo? Naku naman, ang dami ko nang na-try. Pero after 7 years, Pantene lang talagang pumasa sa akin.
Hindi, 26, 27 ang wala ako kasi in-invite ako in fairness. Saan? Yung only daughter ng Prime Minister ng Malaysia.
Darla, you're so fat na.
Malunggay!
Hindi! Oh my God! Talo na! Hurry up!
Most Pinoys love the head. Diba? Sinisip-sip talaga yung ulo.
Promise! Naghipon! Naghipon! Yes! Kasi!
Oh my God, boy. Inintrigan nila ako doon. Nakakasad. Walang love.
My God, we love PNG, right?
Yes,
Friendship. Forever. I love them. He said na mabubuntis ako kay Coco Martin at magkakaanak kaming babae. Hindi nangyari. So,